Nwega muno ni undu wa guthii na mbere guikarania na ithuĩ ni muma na Kamau wa Kang'ethe na muthuri ucio retwo Kaba Njũru mukirora maundu megie uhoro wa githurano na kira turakwira we muikari wa Karau uthingatithie thayu we utigirire ati ni kwagia na thayu haria hothe uri na ni ngukwirite tukikaragia na andikitwo mohoro kuma kundu gutiganite na nicio bicoro na nicia imwe kwa imwe kuma muno ucio wa Karau reke ngutware nginya ku nigetha twambe tuone niki kuhana na tukione o andu magithi na mbere na guikia kura na uyu ni mwe wa aria marahuranira giturwa giki gia mwena uyu wa Karau.
So he will be going straight. Remember, this is a very heated race between himself and the DCP candidate, Sami Kamau Ngodho, who will be voting in just a few minutes in the polling station just a few meters from here. That is Olkalau Primary School. And we just want to show you what will be happening when he gets inside the polling station. The process is very simple. It takes about 3 minutes to vote, or rather about a minute, depending on the queue. But once you receive that ballot paper, it is a few seconds afterwards. And of course, we're just trying to get our way inside this polling station. And the first process will be to identify him, which is currently happening. He will have to give out his identification document, the one that he used to register as a voter. After that, we'll be expecting that he will be checked whether he is inside or is part of those members on the KIEMS kit, because that is the identification system that the IBC is using, the biometrics. And after that, he will be handed a ballot paper. After that, he will be moving to do the necessary, which is the voting. Now, they're asking for the chief agent for the UDA candidate, because IBC had said that no unauthorized officials would be allowed to come here, and that is the UDA candidate. He has to produce his documentation. He's handing over his ID, and IBC yesterday clarified that the register they are using is the register that includes the new registered voters that were added on the register after 2022 here in Olkalau. It's very simple.
Ucio ni umwe wa aria marahuranira giturwa giki kia kuria Karau etagwo Mucina Nyaga niwe ni hindi araikia kura yake na otora ndakwira tuika tukumenyithagia aria othe marahuranira giturwa giki magikia kura tukoroho nigetha tumarumirire nigetha tuone magikia kura mundu gwitwo Mucina ararugama na kiama kia UDA niwe ucio ni arikia gwikia kura na gwoka nitukuigua kana hinya ukorwa kiari na andiki a mohoro nigetha tukiigwe hiringi ne kana ikota kwariria andu na ungikirora andu ni maimirie na njira nene muno ni ukoretwo kirumira kumaria twambiririe thinacara na turakurehera uhoro na njira ya imwe kwa imwe ati thugethurano iki kinini gia kuria mwena wa Karau na otogwo wake igua ni ati ni turenda kuona niki no twambe tuigwe niki kirathi na mbere nigetha tuote kumenya hihi turona ta mararanirie nigetha mwiroreri onake aigwe niki kirathi na mbere.
And we haven't witnessed any incidents so far. So this is now the moment of truth for Samuel Mucina Nyaga as he votes here at Huruma Primary School. And the process is as good as done, and we want to now engage him from outside this polling station so that he can also allow other voters to get a chance to vote. He will be marked. There's an indelible ink that is being used for this to make sure that they set apart those voters who voted and those who are yet to vote. And he's here with us, and we hope that we'll get a chance to speak to him. Safin, there's some movement, but we hope to. Mheshimiwa Sami, yeah. Let's just start it from here. Mheshimiwa, we're live on Citizen TV. The process has been quite seamless. Let's just wait for you to be ready, and for the rest of the teams to be also prepared for this. But Safin, We expect that after this, we'll be getting the
ma
other.
Muhorani wa gĩturwa kĩa ũmbunge kĩrĩa Karau na gĩturwa kĩa Macharia Samuel Mũchina wa Nyaga nĩarĩkĩtie gũkorwo agĩgĩkinya thukuru-inĩ ũyũ gũkorwo agĩgĩkia kura na nĩakĩrĩkĩtie gũkorwo agĩgĩkia kura na kwa ihinda rĩrĩ nĩ atĩ nĩ hĩndĩ aragĩkorwo agĩkĩanĩria andĩke mũno nĩgetha agĩgĩtarĩrie ũrĩa maũndũ magĩkĩhana agĩgĩkinya haha ũguo thaa 2:28 ũguo agĩkorwo agĩkĩingĩra thĩinĩ wa gĩtĩ gĩa gũikia wa kura na ndagĩka ĩno nĩ atĩ nĩagĩkĩrĩkĩtie gũikia kura mĩhang'o ĩrĩa yagĩkĩmuoya wa ndagĩka ta 5 ũguo thutha wake gũkĩingĩra na gũgĩthũrimwo na gũgĩikia kura yake na nĩagĩkiumagarĩtio mũno makĩria nĩ arĩa tũgĩkiuga nĩ arangĩri ake oro ũndũ ũmwe na arĩa maragĩkĩmũnyita arĩa magĩtagwo ma agency ake gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ
process is good because as you can see the people have turned out in large numbers and it's really encouraging to see how people have turned out to vote and to exercise their democratic right. And I feel like as we have talked with the people of Orkarau, we have had 3 months to campaign. And I feel like we have done all our best and people have really listened to us because we encourage everyone within our Orkarau constituencies to come out today and to come out in large numbers so that they could elect their member of parliament who will serve them for the next 1 year. So I feel people are really, the turnout is really encouraging. Security, I feel today we have the security is well organized kwa sababu ukiangalia utaona maafisa wa polisi, they are everywhere. They are manning our roads and our police stations. So I feel the security is quite well today. Na sijapata incidents yote isipokuwa an incident that happened yesterday that one of my vehicle ambayo ilikuwa nasafirisha my agent ilikuwa pahali panaitwa Mugumo, ilienda ikachomwa na wahuni, but the situation ikakuwa controlled. Other than that incident that happened yesterday night where my vehicle was burned, sijapata incidents zingine, but of course today's morning I have had some 2 other incidences whereby I have had some individuals wenye wanapeana pesa huku kwa polling station, and I'm calling the IEBC to investigate the issue because I have heard from my people ya kwamba kuna watu walikuwa kwa police station kadhaa ambao wanajaribu kuhonga wapiga kura katika police station zetu, but I believe IEBC will take the action against those individuals who are trying to bribe our people so that we can have free and fair elections today. I encourage whoever is at home, please come out and come and exercise your voting right, kwa sababu kupiga kura ni haki ya kila mmoja wetu. Mimi ningewahimiza, ingawa ninaona ya kwamba wananchi wetu wamejitokeza vizuri, lakini pia tungetaka the turnout to be good. Maybe even if it's possible we have 100% voters turnout hapa kwetu constituency ya Orkarau, ili wananchi waweze kuamua ni nani wangetaka kuwe mjumbe wao wa mwaka mmoja ambao umebaki.
Have you reported that matter, the case that you said?
I've just come from home. Ndio nimetoka nyumbani, and as you know, I'm a law abiding citizen. I'll take the necessary action. Kama ni kuripoti nitaenda ni report so that action can be taken, kwa sababu sitaki kuiongea tu kwa mdomo. I want to take action. Even the last time that my banners were pulled down, I took the action and reported the matter to the police and the agencies that are concerned with the investigation, kwa sababu mimi ni mwananchi ambaye anapenda sana kufuata sheria, sio mambo tu ya kuongea.
Uko tayari kukubali matokeo?
I'm ready for the outcome because I know I'm winning. I'm ready for it.
What if you lose?
I'm ready. The people of Orkarau will talk at the ballot. Just wait in the evening. What the people decide is what we'll do for.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And that is Samuel Muchina Nyaga. He now wants to engage. And of course, it has been quite a very seamless process for him as a voter, and of course, as a constituent here and as a candidate who has actually cast his ballot. And of course, from here, he says he's ready to accept the outcome of the electorates, the 73,480 who will be participating in this process today here in Olkalau constituency across the 5 wards, and of course will now be moving to get to here.
Ni mwandĩki wa mohoro wa Mũnoroge wa Citizen wakũragia Samuel Muchina Nyaga ciũria thutha wake gũikia kura harĩa thukuru-inĩ wa Huruma Primary School. Tũgũkorwo tũkĩmenyithia acio angĩ nao hakinya kahinda ga gũikia kura ciao tũkũrehera na njĩra ya ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe. Thĩinĩ wa studio na mũndũ gwĩtwo George Gĩcini. George Gĩcini mũthatharu wa maũndũ nĩ mũteti na nĩ mũthatharu wa maũndũ megiĩ ũhoro wa ũteti. Ngwĩciria nĩ ũrarũmĩrĩra baithia kũhana atĩa?
Ndageithia eroreria Inoro.
Yes.
Na nĩ njukaga kaingĩ mũno Kĩmũrĩ.
Nĩguo.
Na ngoka kũrĩa radio tuku.
Nĩguo.
Mũndũ tũterigaine nĩwe.
Na ndakena mũno nĩgũkwenda ndikwĩrĩgĩte. No ta njĩra atĩ nĩ ũrarũmĩrĩra maũndũ ma Karau na nĩ wakĩona andũ nĩ mathiĩte na mbere na gũikia kura na ndona andũ maimĩrĩte na njĩra nene mũno unusually.
Nĩ ngoretwo ngĩrũmĩrĩra gĩthurano gĩa Karau kinya kĩrĩa kĩarĩ kuo. Nĩ aikia 73. Gĩthurano kĩrĩa kĩrĩga maikĩtie 44. Mangĩikio ũguo maikĩtie gĩthurano kĩu kĩagĩrĩirwo kũrĩka thaa 9 thaa 10 tondũ mena cikia cia kura 44,000 polling stations na ĩmwe nĩ ĩkoragwo na stream ta 6. Koguo thĩinĩ wa ndagĩka 3 mũndũ ũmwe agaikia kura times
44 polling stations. Koguo ciothe cingĩ o mũndũ 700 rĩ
nĩ ngiri tara nĩ ngiri.
By the way
mangĩikia ngiri no ĩno nĩ by elections. Kĩndũ thaa 7 ndũkuona kwĩna andũ polling stations nĩ kũroka maroka gũikia kura. Koguo no maikie me 73. Ĩno nĩ kĩrĩa nĩ by election. Koguo no maikie ngiri 40 in total. Koguo nĩ megũkorwo marĩkĩtie by thaa 9. Koguo gĩthurano gĩkĩ kũringana nĩ gwokire mĩtandao na police station kura iratarĩrwo hau thaa 2 no tũkorwo tũmenyete nũ ũhotete.
Thaa 2 cia ũtukũ. Thaa 2 cia ũtukũ. Matareke njũria atĩrĩrĩ, maũndũ marĩa maragia andũ a Karau rĩ nĩ ũrona ta maratindĩrĩirwo kana kĩrĩa kĩratindagĩrĩrwo nĩ ũhoro wa President William Ruto na kĩama gĩake kĩa UDA ũndũ ũmwe na kĩama gĩa Rigathi wa Gachagua kĩa DCP. Maũndũ ma mwananchi wa Karau nĩ ta marekagĩrwo kipaumbele. Mwana wa Karau, mũndũ wa Karau nĩ araheo kanya ga kuuga mathĩna marĩa maramũgia. Because that's a question that it's bothering people. Hĩndĩ ĩtwa nĩ general magira nginya campaign.
Nĩ ngoretwo ngĩrũmĩra campaign cia UDA, cia ODM na cia DCP. No rita rĩrĩ gĩthurano gĩkĩ andũ matirĩ maramenya wega gĩkĩrĩirwo nĩkĩ. Gĩkĩrĩirwo tondũ ũngĩcoka ũrĩa provinces ciarĩ Oro Karau yarĩ ya Mount Kenya, yarĩ ya Central Province, na aikari a Oro Karau, Nyandarua na Laikipia moimĩte Nyĩrĩ kũrĩa Gachagua oimĩte. Nĩkĩo ũrona thirikari tondũ no ũririkane gĩthurano kĩu kĩngĩ Ruto he hĩndĩ oigire nĩwe mũthamaki wa Mount Kenya, nĩwe kingpin, nĩwe ũriuga ũrĩa Mount Kenya kũrĩthiaga. Koguo Gachagua rĩrĩa oimire kũrũe rĩ na ũmũthĩ nĩ aingĩũrio mũno rĩ gĩthurano gĩkĩ kĩ Nyĩrĩ. Nyĩrĩ ĩrĩa ya tene twaikaria kuu moimĩte andũ a Nyĩrĩ moimire Nyĩrĩ magĩthiĩ Laikipia na Nyandarua. Koguo gĩthurano kĩa ũmũthĩ rĩ nĩ ta kĩa Gachagua kĩa Nyĩrĩ na president na Ruto oigaga nĩwe wathaga Mount Kenya. Rĩu marenda kuonania erĩ nũ wathaga Mount Kenya.
Nĩ
gũthima na icoka. Na rĩu niĩ ngĩũrio mũno rĩ mũndũ wetwo UDA rĩ UDA nĩ okĩte nĩ tani njũkĩte gwaku kana ũke gwakwa atĩ warĩkia kũrĩa rĩ atĩ ũgĩthiĩ bedroom ĩrĩa ngomaga nĩ tuwe mwene mũciĩ. Rĩu rĩ Ruto arenda gũthiĩ bedroom yene nake Gachagua nĩ ararega. Rĩu nĩkĩo marathima na icoka mamenye nũ mwene mũciĩ.
Tareke ngũri tondũ kĩama kĩa ODM rĩ mũtinarũgamia mũndũ ODM.
Ona tũtirĩ twarũgamia. Ĩhĩo ti zone itũ.
Nyinyi mũrĩ kwanyu.
Ithuĩ tũtũrĩte zone citũ. Although ODM ĩna makũmbĩ thaa ici matirĩ marahorera. Reke tuone kana nĩ makahorera Januari kĩama gĩacokanĩrĩra wega.
Tareke njũria ndakorwo ndakũria hĩndĩ ĩno ũra predict gũkumĩra ta percentage igana atĩa aikia kura?
roughly 40%, 30 to 40%. Igikorwo i 50 ni horo munene muno tondu ugitara ni ngiri 73 na moimite 44 moimite 65%. Githurano gwikiriga na by election ndiumagirwo muno koguo turahubu 73 ugiga ni andu ngiri 35 at most. Koguo magikia ngiri 35 to 40,000 uria ukuhota githurano giki egukorwo na kindu ngiri 21 22 23 hau
Kenya begotini hani nigetha njambe nyitane na mwandiki wa mohoro gwitwo Sam Njuguna. Sam Njuguna ni ndiamenya mwena muhuraniri wa giturwa giki gwitwo Samuel Muchina wa Nyaga uria warikia gwikia kura yake na ni ngwenda gukigwa uria mugukiaria mundu gwitwo Njuguna kiharo ni giaku.
Ngatho cia mwanya muno mundu gwitwo Njoroge wa Githĩnji na ni mauto gwa gitariria muhitahitaniri wa giturwa giki na tigiti wa kiama kia UDA niwe Samuel Muchina na ikorwo agikirikia gwikia kura yake na kwa ihinda riri nyambe ngongiaraniria nake imwe kwa imwe nigetha agikorwo agitutariria mihango ino ri thutha wake gwikia kura ri ona mihango ino rathie na mbere na njira hana. Karibu sana huku Inooro TV. Hii mihango ino negithie na mbere na njira hana.
Wa mbere ni kwenda kwamba gucokeria Ngai ngatho ni tondu muthenya wa umuthi ni muthenya mwega uria twakorwo tugiukira na mihango ya muthenya wa umuthi ndarora uguo ni ndirona ni guthiete wega. Andu aitu ni metikirite kumira na njira nene niguo makorwo magithura mumbunge wao uria megukorwo makimarutira wira kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe. Koguo nie no njugi andu ni meyumiritie wega, mihango ina thayu na ndarora uguo ni kwega.
Maundu megie ugitiri ri kuringana uria wa mikora guku thini wa giceceni gikiri urone hana ati
mihango ya ugitiri ni miega tondu ira ni kurari na briefing ya uria gugikorwo ugitiri ugitwarithio na ndarora guku gutire na incidents yo yothe ingiuga muthenya wa umuthi yumirite hihi ya kurehe bunjo kana maundu maria mangi tigo incidents imwe rakiumirite muthenya wa ira utuku handu hetagwo mugumo kuria agent ya kwa ngari iria iramatwaraga iragikorirwo ikivamio ni mahuni na iragikorwo igicinwo no maundu maya mangi umuthi utire incidents cia na mwonyonete ugitiri ni ndirona ni mugacirithie andu aitu ni maraikia kura na ni ndirona kwina thayu. Koguo ni kiria ndiroiga ni ati ugitiri ni mwega andu aitu metikire kwiyumiria na gutigatigare ona umwe mucii moke meyumirie makorwo magiikia kura niguo makorwo magithura mumbunge wa uria kumarutira wira kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe.
No agikorwo gikiuga kurari na giko kimwe kia agent yaku ikorwo magikitharikirwo hihi ni urakorirwo mugikitacukia makinya maria magifati magiki watho ni murarumiria makinya macio.
Incidents irahanikire hwai na nitugugikorwo tugitacukia tondu aria marakiri ngari ni yo no igwa ni yo marakiri agent yakwa. Koguo ndirari na kanya ga gukiamba gwika gugicoka kana guthie gituo gia borithi no ni tugukorwo tugika uguo muthenya wa umuthi tondu ithue twirwo abiding citizen na ni twendete thayu ni tugukorwo tukiripoti niguo gugichunguzwo ni amangikorwo mekite giko kiu.
Muthia makire nturagionirwo na muthenya wa ira gicigo-ini kimwe kuri uguo mirangi-ini oko ndirahitia gukira ndona mai kuri magikihanyukio thibitari hihi ni muiguite giko ta kiu gituika no andu maratharikirwo.
Ni gukoretwo na ciiko cia goons gukorwo cikigia andu aitu a Olkarau no ni hoya riria ndirahoya ni ati andu a Karau ni andu mendete thayu twitikiria andu a Karau mathurane kwina thayu tondu ithu andu a Karau ni twendete thayu muno. No ngirora guku andu aria me guku ni andu a Karau na andu a Karau ithu ni tuwi kuiga thayu. Koguo kiria turoria ni ati andu aitu ni marekwo maikia kura na thayu niguo tukorwo tugikicona mumbunge witu.
Nigatho gwamba gucokia mwaro mwena wake rwa studio daikarire amune ndirona maabitha a borithi ni magikihari gukorwo magikiheana ndumiriri hari uguo nja. Koguo twambe tuthie mwena uria ungi tugukorwo tugikimurehera uria maabitha a borithi marakienda gukorwo magigitariria ndagika riri mundu gwitwo Njoroge wa Githĩnji.
Muno mundu gwitwo Njuguna na tukurie we niwe ritho ritu kaundu gothe gakihanika ni gutwira uria kurathie na mbere thini wa studio na ndina mundu gwitwo muthathauri wa maundu ma kiuteti gwitwo George Gicina. Ndero njiro ni mundu ndero nyambe kugeithia ni mundu twitaga Ishaga Kiwan. Ishaga Kiwan ni kumuririkana tumwitaga Mwangi ni wa muona njira ngeithiria my brother 2013 na 2017 mwari nake anacoka ndero ni mundu ngwanyandikira message ya njira atiriri manjiroke muthuri ucio mwinake studio ndimwendete uguo ma kumwenda ni undu uria waragia ma gucia kwaria gwaku mari ni gutumaga witigithukanie na andu aingi muno ukikorwo ni rugamaga nama
ni kiama kiria ngoragwo tu tikia
ODM
tikia Mount Kenya. Koguo ndigacira gakwa na ngenda kurumirira uria njui na ngoiga uria njagirwo kuga ona former prime minister ni ndakararagia mundu wa mwira no wa mwira no aria mekuo riu marona matikararagio moiga ni meka atia moiga ni moiga
Baraka niko gwitari mweru uci ni tobe twari horo wa ODM mwega iturikire wa ODM tobe to understand horo wa Linda Mwananchi na leader ground na mathina mara meku mau ni moyo wega fiu tondu wiku
mo ipio kuma ikinya sedi
tareke tucoke kuria Karau noigua bado kuriona tondu tu twaguoya wa Gahiha noigua muci na kiuga ati ngari yake ire rakuite agents ni iratharikirwo turiga kuona billboard ciake igithukio ni turiga na kuona na amona wa DCP makiuga mathina maria matungitio. How is this na tukirora githurano kiria twerekeire gya 2027
no njugire atiriri githurano kiria kiriga nima mwena uria Uhuru ari no wahotirwo no Uhuru he kaundu ekire adelivire peace igana kwa igana githurano kiria twiriga gutiari Gahiha korwo no uririkane na tumenyaga ithurano cikoragwo na maundu maingi no riu aya ni manjirie Gahiha immediately maigira when urika kuria kwa Uhuru mugunda gugithio andu magathie kuiya mburi ciao na marugamirwo ni thigari ukorwo cio niguo thiete ugikuraga na ndwagirwo gukorwo wiho tari githurano giki ungijuria ri ni intano very intano tigane ya Jubilee mathiete ri ni intano nie ungijuria tiganu wa UDA na DCP hatire aya UDA ri iratongoragio ni Amethu na Wanjiku wa Muhia mathuritwo na tigiti uriku
wa UDA
mwena uyu ungi
gotinio hanito betigwerere commissioner wa borithi arenda kugatia wa kuria mwena wa ucio wa Olokara wikara witikire njikara ngigutinagie imwe kwa imwe.
Niko hapa na the Regional Security Committee na the County Security Committee. Tunashukuru kwa sababu hili exercise ya kupiga kura kwa hii eneo ya Olkarau imeanza asubuhi na so far tunafurahia kutangazia Wakenya na watu wa eneo hili ya kwamba tunaanza kwa usalama na kwa amani. So hakuna mahali tumesikia kukiwa na shinda. Tuko kila mahali na kazi yetu hasa ni kupeana usalama na kuhakikishia wananchi wa eneo hili ya kwamba usalama wao umehakikishwa na serikali. Tunataka kusema kwamba ama ku appeal to the citizens wale hasa voters wa eneo hili wajitokeze kwa wingi wakuje wapige kura. Hakuna haja kuwa na uoga ama nini, wakuje wa exercise their democratic right so that by the end of the day ama wakati zoezi likifungwa watakuwa wamejichagulia mjumbe yao. Tunataka kusema kwamba vituo zote zile IEBC wanafanya shughuli zao za kupigisha kura, walituomba pia sisi tukapeana askari. Nafikiria kila kitu iko na askari wawili wa kusimamia kila stream na so far so good. Mahali wananchi watakuwa na tatizo, tunataka kuomba wa report chochote kile waona akiwafurahisha katika kituo cha polisi kile kiko karibu na wao ama kwa wale askari wako karibu wale mahali wako. Thank you.
Kuna kisa ambacho mwaniaji mmoja ambaye amepiga kura hapa anasema kilifanyika hapo jana, pengine uchunguzi ama nini, hatua gani ambazo mnachukua? Anasema kwamba kuna gari liliteketezwa likipeleka agents wake mahali.
Sisi kusema ukweli hakuna report kama vitengo vya usalama tumepokea kuhusiana na kisa kama hicho, lakini kama litakuwa limeripotiwa katika vituo vyetu vya polisi tutafanya uchunguzi. Na tunaomba kwa sababu tunasikia kuna wale hata wanaenda wakiwa hawana number plate kwa magari zao. Kila mtu ajue ni hatia kuendesha gari ambalo halina number plate, na maafisa wetu wa usalama wakipata gari halina number plate, basi hilo gari litashikwa na kupelekwa station.
Mara nyingi wale wanasiasa ambao huwa wanakuja katika zoezi kama hili kutoka maeneo mengine siku kama ya leo ndio huwa wanahusishwa na kusababisha vurugu, pengine ujumbe wako kwao ni upi?
Tunasema asa polling station yaachiwe tu wale maafisa wa IEBC na wale wapiga kura na askari wale wako na kazi pale. Wageni wowote wale wengine wasipatikane katika range ya 400 meters wenyeji. Lakini kama kuna mtu ambaye amekuja kwa nia ya kufuruga uchaguzi, huyo tutapambana naye tu. Tuko hapa kwa sababu ya hiyo tu.
Bwana RC, maybe tuzungumzia kuhusu barabara zile ambazo zinaingia Olkalau. Kulikuwa na wale wanahisi kwa pengine barabara zingine zimefungwa. Tueleze tu hiyo usalama ambao mmeweka kwa zile entry points za Olkalau constituency.
Hakuna barabara tumefunga hata moja. Na ndio hata wewe Mburinje nikuuliza, si umefika hapa? Na mimi nimefika hapa kutoka Nyeri. So sijaona road block, sijaona barabara imefungwa na mtu. Hata checkpoints. Kama kutakuwa na haja labda tutaangalia, lakini so far hakuna mahali tumefunga barabara. Yes.
Na labda tu kuna swali ambalo watu walikuwa wanajiuliza jana kwamba idadi ya polisi pengine ni mingi kupita kiasi huku na huenda ikawatishia wapigaji kura kujitokeza. Je, wasema lipi kuhusu hilo?
Sioni kama inaweza kuwa ni tisho kwa sababu tumepanga askari kulingana na ile idadi askari wameombwa na IEBC. Requirement ya IEBC ndio imetufanya tukajua ni wangapi tutapeana. So na kama ukizunguka hii town ama kwingine ni mahali gani umesikia askari wamekosi vurugu? Hakuna. So askari ni wa kuhakikisha usalama. Unaona hata wale tuko nao wachache wanatangamana na wananchi. Hawana shinda. So wasiogope, wananchi wasiogope, wajue askari ndio usalama yao.
So we know from Ramogi TV a few minutes ago, the deputy party leader of DCP, Cleophas Malala, claimed that they've seen several unmarked cars by the police officers, and he claimed that this can be a ploy, perhaps to interfere with the election. What's your take on it?
To us, the security agencies, I think from the onset it should be known that, or remembered that anyone who is driving an unmarked car is committing an offense. So we as the police department, there is no one who is driving an unmarked car. If it is the DCI, they have their number plate. It is the police, even my own car, it has got number plate. So I don't know who this other person is who is driving unmarked cars. And those are the people we are saying we are going to deal with them.
Okay, maybe RC, my name is Emmanuel Toh from Citizen TV. How many police officers have been deployed who are in civilian attire, number one? Number two, we know those who are manning police stations and even the tallying center. Where are the rest of the police officers? Because there should be about 700 or so.
I can assure you that we have deployed the required number, not more than the required number. We have an adequate number to deal with any eventuality, but I cannot give you the number. Yes.
Okay, in civilian?
In civilian.
Have you deployed officers who are in civilian?
Definitely, the DCI officers are here with us. And you know, they normally put on in civilian clothing. So we can't say that we don't have officers in civilian. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Maybe a comment from
vile Bwana RC ameongea, tushaweka officers wa kutosha wa kuangalia doria. Polisi wale wako hapa ni marafiki wa wananchi. Ndio maana unaona ukiangalia kamera zenu ukilenga huku na pale, unaona wananchi wana kutana na polisi wakiwa wanaongea. Tunataka kuhakikishia kwamba usalama huko wa kutosha. Wasiwe na wasiwasi. Ule ajepiga kura, aje apige kura. Kama kuna tatizo lolote, aeleze ofisa wowote wa polisi ambaye ako karibu naye ili aweze kusaidiwa. Otherwise, tangu asubuhi ianze hatujakuwa na tatizo kubwa lolote. Voting inaendelea vizuri na tunashukuru wananchi pia sababu wengi wao baada ya kupiga kura wanaenda nyumbani. Sorry? Kwa majina naitwa Geoffrey Mayek. Mimi ni Regional Police Commander wetu wa Central hapa.
The UDA candidate Samuel Mushin has said that they've witnessed some incidents of voter bribery. Has it come to your attention?
Bado hatujapata ripoti yoyote kamili ama hatujakamata mtu yoyote kamili ambaye anahusika na hiyo, lakini wakati tulipata ripoti kama hiyo tukaeleza kitengo cha upelelezi CID waende chini wajaribu kutafuta nini imeendelea.
Nĩ honge cia ũgitĩri matongoretio nĩ ũrĩa tũngiuga Regional Commissioner ugwitwo Joshua Nkanatha ngucia niwe commissioner kana RC wa kuria Central makiaria horo wa mibango ĩrĩa mekirite ya ugitiri na ndona ciria nyingĩ muno andu acio marorio mundu gwitwo Gicini ciĩgiĩ horo wa ugitiri tondu ugitiri ni kindu very paramount na hekindo gutaragiria wa njira atiriri ati siasa iria cia kuria ni intano hekigo kugwetete na ndona andu ma kunyita mbaru
ini akiri intano tondu DCP ngiaria na iku nigetha andu manjigue ri DCP ni andu a UDA ni murengo wa UDA ogoro Hurubaro ya mwena wa Ruto ni eruri ya Gachagua ni DCP ya Green tondu nio maracindana ni akiama kimwe nikio no githurano giki gikirirwo muno ti kia na nja ni ucio nikio ndirakwira ni andu amweri ori okaho ori okahota kindu kiria kinene ni thayu
haya effect ya uri okohota yokoro ihana atia hihi
wa mbere Ruto ahotwo ri oima mugeni okire ari ainuka na thi bedroom no DCP ngihotwo ina moimirira moru muno ona no gutuike gutire kiama ta kiu gitagwo DCP tu ni ahotwo ndina mubunge tigithurano kia mbere marari na roko emu adikil mari kuria mbere north matiahotire koguo andu ni mekwaga uigiririku wa kiama kia DCP kingihotwo mu
ha kiria kingi gukuri tondu matha maitu ni mathira na umuthi ni ugwitikira gukuriha na muthenya ungi mathiaga uguo guthiago haya kiama kia Jubilee kio kirari kiene giti giki na kia atia
kiama kia Jubilee ri kina thina umwe na ti thina ni giathanire na gikirikia thina uria ndirona wi hori matire maraiguithania ati mundu uria urirugamaga tondu ogo giti kiagirwo gucokerio Jubilee ri to uria ODM irekite ithurano iria ciiriga ya cokeirie andu aria mari ya ODM no ithuĩ nituragarura kindu kiria kina thina ha muno ni united opposition tutiri nayo nironire Gachagua kihe Kang'ata mukana ndagathi orokarau na me hamwe no kakumuteithia akamwira wathi ku wikire campaign UDA kana wikire Jubilee matiri maranyitana na ni corona ni atire twarie ma ndionete opinion polls kiuga president ena 32% niona no jitikire eto when egitiini na ni akarugama ithuĩ tutire tura decide na ntukwenda tuyurie nima andu aria matutwarite mwena wa Ruto ri no megututongoria oguku kuma kwa Ruto tureka hari utiganu ria twari Azimio ri twetagwo endia ruriri andu aria matigitio ODM ri matigitio thini wa UDA ri maretwo endia ruriri twambe tuyuria atiriri endia ruriri ri niki
kiugo kinu ndirigwita na ndirigwita twarie reke githurano iki githire na tondu muthe ndaka ciaku nyingi ndinareka ndona heo kanya ga kwaria wega na kuhe andu another opinion tondu we wake makia ODM na ramaracinda na kuria ndona ODM ndiriku ndike turagucaritie we neutral nigetha tuhe neutral position
ndungijira ndire wakuo tuona andu maraire makiaria horo wa World Cup Argentina na England na ni Kenyans koguo ri iwe yathi tukoragwo naguo wa kwaria
that is it thank you muno na witikire ndirigwita muthenya ungi tondu ndona mundu gwitwo Mike Njenga mena mundu gwitwo Ndiritu Ihurari ni macoka na ku ni uthia muno kimuri ni uthia muno
ni athuri tani koguo ni tuiguithanagia miario
ndigwe nigo ndenda kumatigira kiharo nigetha matindike hau hangi mwirori iko ni ndirantira na thiturarumirira maumĩrĩro ma githurano ama turarumirira githurano kinini gia kuria bururi-ini tutigite bururi wa kuria gikuyu-ini kuria kwitagwo Nyandarua ndigwite kundu gitagwo Karau kwina icigo ithano cia wadi kwina wadi itagwo Kaimbaga kwina wadi itagwo Ruriĩ kwina wadi itagwo Mirangi-ini kwina wadi itagwo Kanjuĩrĩ na kwina wadi itagwo Karau town acio nio maracagura mũmbunge wao na ririkana ni thutha giko kia mũmbunge wao iria gukua kĩambĩrĩria kia mwaka uyu wetagwo Kĩaraho andu kenda nio marahurĩrĩra gĩturwa kiu na nginya rĩu mũndũ ratuonete agĩkia kura wa hũranĩri na tukakurehera na njĩra ya ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe ni mundu gwitwo Mucina Nyaga wa kiama kia UDA mundu gwitwo Ihura na mundu gwitwo Mike Njenga ni megutwarithia hu hangi nigetha nginya makuonia acio ange magikia kura na kuria maraikiria kura na maundu ma mothe turakurehera na njira ya ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe kwa Inooro TV kuma riu nginya hindi ria kuritangathwo no watuika mũmbunge mweru wa kuria mwena wa Karũ kendikiria hau ni ndairia mbere yakwa ndimutiga na Mike Njenga na mundu gwitwo Ndiritu Ihura thini wa tabarĩra ya Kimuri good morning